All right, another day, another Grubhub DoorDash ride-along video. Let's see what we find today. Hey, I'm wearing a new Bigfoot shirt because people like to send me Bigfoot shirts. This is from IKnowSquatch on Instagram, so check them out. I'll put a link in the video so you can check out their Etsy store. It's pretty solid. But let's see. Oh, and this is Widmer Brothers Brewing from Oregon area from my father-in-law. So good stuff. Anyways, let's see what we find for restaurants and orders today. Make some money. Order of the day, zombie burger. Gotta drive over a few streets to get it, and then I'm out to the Drake Beaverdale area. It's gonna be a grind today. Had to wait 30 minutes to get the first order. Let's do it. Easy drop off for zombie burger, and just got an $11 for KFC on Merle Hay, so let's get it done. First tip of the day is if you don't feel like going, just keep going. Have something that keeps you going. Listen to a happy song, have a video blog like this. You gotta keep going. I'm not saying I'm having a bad day, but you know, let's listen to some happy music. All right, let's get some KFC. All right, so dropped off to KFC. It's important to have your rules in mind before you start doing this. For example, one of my rules is if it says come in the house, I'm not coming in the house. There's not a chance I'm ever coming in the house because that's how people die. So I'm not coming in the house, even if that's an enclosed porch. So I didn't go inside the enclosed porch and I'm still alive. Okay, I am going to Bubba's next. So I'll be waiting a little bit. Sorry, I'm super sassy today because, yeah, you know. But I'll have to wait a little bit. That's fine. $9, and I got started on the ride 5 minutes before the new hour, so I made the money for the first hour. I got a head start on the second hour. After this delivery, I'll be halfway to my goal for the second hour, so let's get it going. Remember, have your rules, don't break your rules. That's how you live. So there's a wrong address put in by the customer. They tried to contact me after I dropped it off, and I was way out of my way, and I couldn't do anything about it. Canceled order. Anyways, good news is that Smash Burger is coming through. $15 order, so that will make up for everything. So let's make this happen. All right, dropped that off in Waukee for 15 bucks. Then realized, hey, I'm out in Waukee. So this will be a good test run to see how busy Waukee is. Waukee is a suburb of West Des Moines, way out there. Not really, but it's getting big. It's getting big. In the future, you could just stay in Waukee and probably work all night. Not much going on right now, but as I went towards West Des Moines, got a $9 pickup for Maria's Mexican food. So let's see how it goes. All right, today's a grind, but we're making it happen. Just dropped off the Mexican food, 3rd floor, no elevator, hoofing up the whole way. So awesome. Just got another order for 10-ish from Maria. No, a golf and grill place. I'm not even sure what this place is, but it's gonna give me 10 bucks, so let's go check it out. To do an update. Dropped off that Mexican food in the suburbs. Now I'm going over to Five Guys for a quick $9 drop off. We're gonna make this happen tonight, no matter how long it takes. So let's go along for the ride. It's all about your outlook and making it happen. All right. That one got dropped off. It is late at night. It's almost 10 p.m. end of the shift. Last order is going to be a Burger King, and it's going to take me forever to get it in the drive-thru because there's 50 cars, but we're going to make it happen so we can make the goal. So let's rock out for this triple Whopper at Burger King. All right. If you like the content that I'm making with the ride-alongs for Grubhub and DoorDash and whatever, go ahead and follow, subscribe to this channel, comment any questions you had or any restaurants you'd like to see me deliver from, and like this video, share it with your friends, share it in your groups, DoorDash, Grubhub groups all over the place. Just get it out there. Anyways, thanks for watching this, guys, and you have a great night. Get some sleep, and I will see you guys tomorrow.